iPhone got stuck on black screen? Apple logo or recovery mode? Here is how to fix them all with any iOS system repair. Let's get started. To start, open any iOS system repair and connect your iPhone. Then go to Repair Operating System field. Click Deep Repair, then Fix Now. Here click Download to get the latest firmware. Now you can launch the repair. It'll take a while, and the device will restart. All you need to do is keep it connected and wait for the progress bar to complete. Well done! Now wait for the device to finish the boot up. That's it! Thanks for watching. To download, check out the link in the description below. For more iOS 13 tips, subscribe to the Any Data Recovery channel. And don't forget to share this video with your friend.